First, consider your home's unique needs. How many entrances do you want to secure? Do you have a large property that requires outdoor surveillance? These questions will help determine the type of system you need. An authorized dealer can provide a thorough assessment and recommend the best options for your home. Next, you'll want to think about features. Do you want a system that integrates with smart home devices? Perhaps you're interested in mobile alerts or remote monitoring capabilities. Again, an authorized dealer can guide you through these decisions, ensuring you choose a system that aligns with your lifestyle and needs. Once you've selected a system, it's time for installation. This is where an authorized dealer really shines. Their expert technicians will install your system, ensuring everything is set up correctly for optimal performance. They'll also walk you through how to use your new system, so you'll feel confident and in control from day one. But the service doesn't end there. Authorized dealers also provide ongoing maintenance and support. They'll regularly check your system to ensure it's working properly and update it as needed. If you ever have questions or issues, you can count on them for quick and efficient help. Lastly, don't forget about cost. While a home security alarm system is a significant investment, it's important to remember it's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. An authorized dealer can provide you with a detailed quote, so you'll know exactly what you're getting and how much it will cost. With the help of an authorized dealer, choosing and installing a home security alarm system can be a smooth and hassle-free process. So why wait?